Can we start the recording a little later? Why evlo seekram? Ella, when we start the welcome address, appa pannikla.
Participant 2 is Devi Ranjit Kumar. Please put your participant number followed by your name on the Zoom meet, not in the chat box, so we can identify you with the number. Participant 3 is Maitreyi Mukundan. Participant 4 is Namrata Parekh. Participant 5 is Nikhil Bora. Participant 6 is Parvati Muthuswamy. Participant 7 is Pavitra Srinivasan. Participant 8, Shrutika P. Nair. Participant 9, Suhana Salim. And participant 10, Urmi Samir Dani. Can we kindly request all participants to please switch on your videos and mute yourself? Thank you.
Hope all the participants are here.
No, some are still in the waiting room.
Yes.
Yeah, they have to be admitted. And Nikhil Bora, Meera, can you give us?
Yeah, I will give the instruction again. I think Namrata and Nikhil, your participant numbers, Namrata, yours is participant 4, and Nikhil, your participant 5. So please put 4 hyphen your name on the screen so we can identify you. Kindly rename yourselves.
Able here actually, please. Anyone can repeat it.
I'm sorry, your voice is not coming through clearly, Nikhil. I'm saying your participant number 5. So
Okay.
kindly rename yourself as 5 hyphen your name so we can identify.
I think we have 98 participants. Okay.
Can we kindly request everyone to please mute themselves? Thank you. I think we still have a few participants who have not joined in.
Can we check the participant number? Number 1, 2, 1. Can you raise hands so that we check again? Participant number 1. Yeah, Aparna is a participant.
Akshata is participant
Okay,
1.
Akshata number 1.
Devi has not joined in. She's participant number 2. We're
Okay.
waiting for her.
Ma'am, I have joined, ma'am.
Oh, you've joined. Devi,
You want me to rename, ma'am? 1 second.
Yeah, number 2.
participant 4 is Namrata. Participant 5 is Nikhil Bora. Participant 6 is Parvati Muttaswamy. Participant 7 is Pavitra Srinivasan. Participant 8 is Shrutika P. Nair. Participant 9 is Suhana Salim. And participant 10 is Urmi Samir Dani. May I kindly request all non-participants to please switch off your video and mute yourself. Thank you.
Shall we start?
Madam, let us confirm whether how many have joined. Please ask them to say their number and name so that their audio can also be checked.
Yeah.
Just ask them to say their number and name.
Yeah, number 1 participant, can you open your audio and just tell out your name?
Yes, Akshata Srinath.
Okay, your audio is fine. Number 2.
Ranjit Kumar, ma'am.
Your audio is not clear. Again?
Devi Ranjit Kumar, ma'am.
Yeah, fine. Number 3.
Namaste, I'm Maitri Mugundan.
Okay. Number 4.
Namrata Parikh.
Okay. Number 5.
Nikhil Bora.
Number 6.
Adviti Muthuswamy.
Okay. Number 7. Number 7 is not here. Meera, who's number 7?
Pavitra Srinivasan.
Pavitra was here actually. Yeah, she's here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Number 7.
My audio is not clear.
Now it is Pavitra. It wasn't clear before. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
She's here, Akka. She's here.
Number 7. Yeah, can you unmute your audio and just say your name?
Namaste, ma'am. Is my audio is clear?
Yeah, clear
Yeah.
now.
I'm Pavitra Srinivasan.
Number 8.
Namaste, ma'am. Shrutika Tina.
Number 9.
Unmute, Suhana.
Namaste, Akka. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm Suhana Salim.
Number 10.
Yeah, ma'am. Urmi Samir Dani.
Yeah. I think all the 10 participants are here. And please, only when you talk, you have to unmute and talk. When your turn comes. Okay? Otherwise, all other audience, keep your audio muted. And also your video. And we want only the video of quiz participants during quiz time. We don't want other participants to open your video during quiz time. Okay, sir?
Okay, shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, namaste. We welcome you, sir, Gopakumar, sir. You can start.
Good evening, friends. On behalf of Indian Classical Dancers Association and Praetnam, I would like to welcome all the participants and all those who have joined here to witness the first international Bharatanatyam quiz contest organized by Praetnam and ICDA. It was really a dream for ICDA to organize a program like this, and we were really fortunate to have collaboration with Prayatnam, which is one of the prestigious organizations in South India, a team of senior dancers who have taken the initiative to do all the technical part of the conducting the competition. So we are really fortunate, and all of them are ICDA members too. And as you all know, ICDA is now really active with 17,000 members in the Facebook page and 1,500 members in the WhatsApp group. We have got members in every city of India and every major country of India. Our objective is to promote classical dancers and dancers. And we are organizing several workshops, demonstrations, discussions with government officials and all. And we would request those who are not members of ICDA WhatsApp group to give your numbers in the chat box so that we can add you in the ICDA WhatsApp group. So on behalf of Indian Classical Dancers Association, I would like to welcome all the participants who have joined here for this International Bharatanatyam Quiz Competition. And I would also like to welcome all the members of Prayatnam group and all those who have joined from the ICDA and other dignitaries for viewing this competition. So on behalf of ICDA, may I welcome each and every one of you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you. And I think someone has to mute yourself. Can you please mute
Request the admins to mute people who are not the participants.
Thank you, sir. And on this 75th Independence Day, on behalf of ICDA and Prayatnam, we welcome all the participants for being here for the final round of this online.
Ma'am, you're on mute, ma'am.
Jata, you're on mute, mute.
Namaste. On this 75th Independence Day, here on behalf of ICDA and Prayatnam, we welcome you all, the participants who have been here for the final round of this online international quiz contest. I also welcome the audience here, and I thank Sri Gopakumar sir for having trust in us and in conducting this quiz contest, this online quiz contest. And we welcome you all once again. And now I call upon Srimati Meera Shrikant to conduct this quiz contest. Thank you.
Thank you, Sujataka. Namaskaram once again, and a very happy 75th Independence Day to everyone. I, Meera, am very, very happy to be anchoring this unique online international Bharatanatyam quiz contest, and my heartfelt thanks to the organizers for giving me this opportunity to do so. After the preliminary and qualifier elimination rounds, we are extremely excited to invite our 10 finalists for the final round of the quiz contest today. A very, very hearty congratulations to all of you for having come through the previous rounds. I will, for the benefit of the audience, one more time read out your participant numbers and names. Many congratulations to all the finalists, and the participants of the final round are participant number 1, Akshata Srinath, participant number 2, Devi Ranjit Kumar, participant number 3, Maitreyi Mukundan, participant number 4, Namrata Parikh, participant number 5, Nikhil Bora, participant number 6, Parvati Muthuswamy, participant number 7, Pavitra Srinivasan, participant number 8, Shrutika P. Nair, participant number 9, Suhana Salim, Participant number 10, Urmi Samir Dani. A very hearty congratulations once again to each and every one of you for reaching this stage. Further on, I will be calling you by your participant numbers just for the ease of proceeding with the quiz. Before I outline the rules and regulations, may I request the audience and all non-participants to kindly mute yourself and keep your videos off so that we can avoid as many technical glitches as possible. Thank you very much for your cooperation. As I said, all participants, you are required to rename yourselves. I think you've all done so with your number hyphen your name. Participants, please stay muted until your turn comes. Keep your videos on at all times. Thank you. The quiz itself will consist of 3 rounds. I will read out the rules for each round just before the round. The first round will be a video round. There will be a video displayed on your screen, and based on the video, there will be 2 questions that will be asked. You will get a total time of 10 seconds to answer both the questions. Okay. And if your answer is right, you will be awarded 10 points. Because there are 2 questions, there's a possibility of partial correctness, which means a partial correct answer will fetch you 5 points. And once your time limit of 10 seconds for that question is over, that question will get passed on to the audience. Audience, please note, you will get the option to answer that question, not to the other participant. Kindly note, it will get passed on to the audience only. Audience are kindly requested not to unmute to give your responses. Please type your responses in the chat box. We have our quiz team following up on the responses. Kindly cooperate with us and do type it in the chat box. Thank you very much. The correct answer, like I told you, will fetch you 10 points, and a partially correct answer will fetch you 5 points. Once the video comes on, I will read out the question. There will be a timer that you will see which will start ticking after I read out the question. Kindly wait until I finish reading the question, and after that, please give your answer. All the best to all of you, and we will go to round 1. Good luck, everyone. Question to participant number 1.
Meera?
Yeah.
1 minute. Yeah, I have one video open, which is named as iPad. iPad, the audio was also there. Now they've muted the audio. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you. You can start, Meera.
Yes, Akka. Thank you. Can we go to round number 1? And your questions are: identify the exponent and what is the name of her guru. Your time starts now. Please unmute and answer.
Don't know, ma'am.
Okay, this question will now pass on to the audience. Audience, please type your response in the chat box. Kindly do not unmute. Please type it in the chat box. Our team is following up on the chat box. You have 10 seconds, audience, to give your answer. There are 2 questions. Please note both of them.
Time up. We have received the right answer for the first question from Deepa Rao Balasaraswati Amma. And for the second question, we have received the right answer from Archana Shyam.
And the guru
to display the answer.
Yeah. And the answers are: the artist is T. Balasaraswati, and the name of her guru, Guru Kandappa Pillai. Now, on to the second participant. Question for the second participant.
ಬಾಮಾರೋ ಊರಿಗೆ ಬಯಲು ಸೇರುಡು ವೇಳ.
And your questions are: identify the exponent and name the Naika who is portrayed in this song. Your time starts now.
Kalanidhi Mami and Swadhina Patika.
We have a partially correct answer, so the question goes to the audience. Audience, please type your answers in the chat box.
Time up for the audience. We haven't received any right answer from the audience, so I would request to display the answer.
The answer is, of course, the exponent Kalanidhi Narayanan, and the Naika is a Proshita Bhartrika or a Proshita Patika. Okay, on to participant number 3. And your questions are: identify the exponent and what is the name of his dance school. Please unmute and answer.
Sri Rajaratnam Pillai. The name of his dance school is Rajaratnalaya Bharata Kalaikudam.
I'm sorry, this is not the right answer. The question will go to the audience. Audience, please type your answers in the chat box.
Ma'am, we can't answer.
No, it goes only to the audience. Sorry.
Time up for the audience. So we have received a right answer from Chandni for the second question. I would like to request Lalita Akka to display the answer.
And the answer is Guru Kalyan Sundaram Pillai, and the name of his dance school, Sri Rajarajeshwari Bharatanaट्य Kala Mandir. Okay, over to participant number 4. And your questions are: identify the exponents and how are they famously known. Time starts now.
I don't know.
You have 10 seconds. No problem. The question now passes on to the audience. Yeah. I think we're getting a lot of correct answers.
Time up. So we have received a lot of right answers from many people. So I would like to mention the first person who has given the right answer. It is Lakshmi Priya. So shall we display the answer on screen?
Yeah. And the answer are the famous Lalita and Padmini, and they are called Travancore sisters. On to participant 5.
Andar Bagidam Vasdidam.
Your question: identify the exponent and what is the name of her husband.
I don't know, ma'am. Sorry.
Okay, no problem. Question passes on to the audience. Audience, please type your responses in the chat box.
Time up. We have received right answer from Athena Madhu. Shall we display the answer on screen?
And the right answer is the artist is M.K. Saroja and the name of her husband is Mohan Khokar. Next question to participant 6. Question, identify the exponent and what is the name of the basic book on dance that she authored?
I'd like to give a guess. I want to say, is it the name of the book is it Nityas Mangli and Saskia? It's Saskia?
I'm sorry, you're over your time. We'll have to pass on the question to the audience. Audience, please take that question. Kindly type your responses in the chat box.
Time up. We haven't received any right answers from the audience. So shall we display the answer on screen?
Yes, and the exponent is the very famous Mrinalini Sarabhai, and her basic book was Understanding Bharatanatyam. Going on to participant 7, your question. And your questions are, who is the exponent and who is the composer of this song?
The exponent name is Dr. Padma Subramaniam, and I don't know the answer for the second question.
Okay, we have a partially right answer and we'll pass this on to the audience.
Time up. We have received the right answer from Chandni and Varalakshmi Perumal. Shall we display the answer on the screen?
And the exponent, of course, we know is Dr. Padma Subramaniam. And the composer of the song is Mahakavi Subramanya Bharati. On to participant 8 with your question now. And your questions are, identify the exponent and what was the original name for Kalakshetra?
The exponent name is Srimati Rukmini Devi Arundel. I don't know the answer of second question.
Okay, partially right answer and the question goes to the audience.
Time up. We haven't received any right answer for the second part. So shall we display the right answer on screen?
Yes, and the artist is Rukmini Devi Arundel and the former name for Kalakshetra is International Academy of Arts. Now, video for participant number 9.
Sorry to.
Yeah, your questions are identify the exponent and name her sister.
Is it Radha Kamala? I don't know the second answer also. Sorry.
I think the answers are actually close enough. Can you name the exponent?
It's Kamala.
And the second one?
Radha.
Yes, she has both the answers right. And congratulations, I think she's the first participant in the round to get both of them right. And the answers are Kumari Kamala, name of the exponent, and her sister, she had two, Vasanti or Radha. We were expecting one of them. Next question to our last participant. And your question, identify the exponent and who is his aunt who was a famous dancer?
Yeah, the exponent is Gopi Krishnan and his aunt is Sitara Devi.
Excellent. We have two right answers again. Congratulations. And that brings us to the end of round one. I hope you all enjoyed round one. The answer, of course, is Gopi Krishna and the name of his aunt is Sitara Devi. Many congratulations to all of you. And at the end of round one, I kindly request Pratiksha to give us the score tally.
Sorry to interrupt. I shall take few minutes. For the sixth question, we have received right answer from Vijayaveni and Soma Mondal. And for the eighth question, we have received the right answer from Chandni at right time. It was a technical glitch. Very sorry for that. Kindly note. Thank you.
Thank you, Gayatri. Pratiksha, can you please read out the scores?
Yes, ma'am. Results of first round. The score of participant number 1 is 0. She's yet to score any points. The score of participant number 2 is 5. The score of participant number 3 is 0. The score of participant number 4 is 0. The score of participant number 5 is 0. The score of participant number 6 is 0. The score of participant number 7 is 5. The score of participant number 8 is 5. The score of participant number 9 is 5. And the score of participant number 10 is, sorry, I'm very sorry. The score of participant number 9 is 10. And the score of participant number 10 is 10 as well.
Thank you, Pratiksha, and congratulations to all of you. And don't worry, those who didn't make it, we have 2 more rounds. You can catch up easily in the other 2 rounds. Round 2. Round 2 will be a question answer round. Each participant will be given 1 question. You have to answer that question, simple. You will get 10 seconds to answer that question, similarly to what happened in round 1. If you give a wrong answer, the question will pass on to the audience like we did. Audience, please type your responses in the chat box. A correct answer will fetch you 10 points and a wrong answer will fetch you 0. We will go on to round 2. First question to participant 1. What does Kuttappa refer to? Time starts now. Please unmute and answer. No problem. Question passes on to the audience. Audience, please type your responses in the chat box.
Time up. We have received the right answer from Lakshmi Priya Can we display the answer on the screen?
And the answer is Kuttappa refers to orchestra. Question 2 to participant 2. The genre Ninda Stuti is said to have its form in which alamkara? Please unmute to answer. The genre Ninda Stuti. Your time is up. Sorry. The question passes on to the audience. Audience, please type your responses on the chat box.
Time up. As we haven't received any right answer from the audience, shall we display the right answer on screen?
And the right answer is from the Alankara Vyaja Stuti. Next question to participant 3. Who authored Devendra Kuravanji? I'm sorry, your time is up. Question goes to the audience. Audience, please type your responses.
Time's up. So again, we have received a partially right answer from Chandni. Shall we display the complete right answer on the screen, please?
And the answer is Maharaja Sarfoji II.
Very sorry. Before Chandni, Sugandhini Reddy has replied the right answer, has texted the right answer.
Congratulations. And now to participant 4. One famous composition of Sri Vidyapati Thakur, which begins with the word Kirti, is. I'm sorry, this again goes to the audience. Audience, you have 10 seconds. Please type your responses on the chat box.
Time's up. We haven't received any right answer from the audience. So shall we display the right answer on the screen, please?
Yeah, there are 2 of them, Kirti Lata or Kirti Pataka. We were expecting one of them. Question to participant number 5. What is Kakshya Vibhaga a division of?
Geometry of India.
I'm sorry. That's an incorrect answer. We'll have to pass that on to the audience.
Time's up. We haven't received any right answer yet. We have received the answer from Lakshmi Priya and Chandni as stage. So shall we display the answer on screen, please?
Yeah, the answer is space. Question to participant number 6. In Sangam poetry, the mother who gives birth to the heroine is referred to as. I'm sorry, that goes to the audience. Audience, your 10 seconds are ticking. I think your
time's up. We Not right. We have received the right answer from Arunima for this question. Shall we display the same answer on screen, please?
The mother is referred to as Nattrai. Question to participant 7. Who wrote the poem Yadum Ure Yavarum Kelir?
Bharati.
I'm sorry, that goes to the audience.
Time's up. So many right answers for this question. So just a minute. I'll just figure out who wrote the first right answer. It was Chandini who has given the right answer. So shall we display it on the screen, please?
Yeah, and the answer is Kaniyan Pungundranar. Question to participant number 8. Who authored Ajamilo Pakyanam? I'm sorry, that goes to the audience again.
Time's up. So we have received the right answer from Arunima. Shall we display it on the screen, please?
And the right answer is Maharaja Swati Tirunal. Question to participant 9. As part of which chapter of the Natya Shastra is Hava explained?
In the 7th chapter.
I'm sorry, the question passes on to the audience.
Time is up. We have received answers as 8th chapter. Shall we display it on the screen, please?
The answer is the chapter on Samanya Abhinaya. Question 10 to participant number 10. The Adhama Nayaka is also known as. Question to the audience.
Time's up. So we have received answer from Jayavarshini. Shall we display it on the screen, please?
Yeah, and the right answer is Vaishika. So we come to the end of round 2. We will have Pratiksha to display the total tally of round 1 and round 2 for all the participants. Over to you, Pratiksha.
Yes, ma'am. No participant in round 2 has scored any points. So the points remain the same as round 1, which I will repeat now. Participant number 1 has not scored any points. Participant number 2 has scored 5 points. Participant number 3 has not scored any points. Participant number 4 has not scored any points as well. The score of participant number 5 is 0. The score of participant number 6 is 0. The score of participant number 7 is 5. The score of participant number 8 is 5. The score of participant number 9 is 10. And the score of participant number 10 is 10.
Thank you, Pratiksha. As far as the participants are concerned, you're at a no-loss situation. You are where you were. You have one more round to catch up and compete with each other. The Round 3 is the final round of this quiz, and it is called Connections. Make your connect and earn your points. This round is a buzzer round, so it is open to all participants. Okay, so please note, participants, if you know the answer, kindly visually raise your hand. Kindly visually raise your hand. You can see it, I think, on the reactions. There is a way that you can raise your hand, if I'm right. Yeah, please visually raise your hand. Our team is watching out for who is the first person who raises their hand. And based on that, you will be given a chance to answer the question. In this one, you are supposed to identify the composition. Okay, all compositions are popular ones, Tamil compositions, but the clues that you will get are in Tamil and English. You will see the clues in Tamil and English. You have 30 seconds to answer this. Okay, please type or raise your hand virtually. Please don't put it up here. We may not be able to see you. So kindly raise your hand virtually. A correct answer, like I said before, will fetch you 10 points, and a wrong answer will go to the audience. Audience, you will get only 10 seconds again to answer this. We are just going to do a demo of this one because it's different from the others. You can see one example, and then we will pass on the question to each of you. Can we have the demo slide, please? Based on the images, you are supposed to identify this padam. You have 30 seconds to do so.
Virtually raise your hands.
Yeah, virtually, please raise your hand. Virtually, please, not
Virtually means you have
on the reaction button. Please
Reaction.
don't raise it like this. Pavitra, may I please request you to use the reaction button? Yeah, that's right. But please use the reaction button so that we are able to keep track.
Yeah, Suhana also raise your hand virtually.
Yes,
Use the reaction
I
button.
raised the hand and I didn't understand which one is the reaction button. I don't know.
There's one on your screen right down. I think that has the option, if I'm right.
With the pen mark or something?
There's a face mark, right? There's a face mark, and isn't that the one?
I think the participants, sorry to interrupt, you have to go to the more option and then you click lower hand or raise hand.
And others, please mute your audio. I'm hearing some others' audio.
If the participants are not familiar, can we take on the physical raising of hands as well?
Yeah.
Yes, Akka, I have entered in my mobile phone. So when I go to the raise hand option, I can't see the screen.
Okay.
Okay.
One question, is there any negative marking for wrong answer?
There is no negative marking anymore. There is no negative.
And after you raise your hands, either through virtually or through directly, so please wait till the person calls your name and then unmute and reply. Okay, we have to call you and then only you can reply. Please don't unmute yourselves immediately after raising your hand.
Can we go on? Can we start this round? Okay. The first question for this round. Time starts now. Your time is ticking. Yes.
It's raised her hand.
Yeah. Just a kind request, just wait for them to call out your name before you answer, or participant number, I'm sorry. They will call out your participant number and then you can answer. Kindly wait for that. Harshini, can you please give the participant number who raised her hand first?
Participant number 7 has raised her hand first.
Yeah, you can unmute and give us the answer, please. Idai vida vera venumo Sakshi is the correct answer. Congratulations. Question number 2. Your time starts now.
Participant number 10 has raised her hand first.
Yes, please.
Is it Ethane Shunalum?
I'm sorry, the question will now go to the audience. Audience, you have exactly 10 seconds.
Time's up. We haven't received any right answer.
We have received the right answer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We
And
have
the right-
received a partially right answer from Supriya Ravikumar and a complete right answer from Padmavati.
Yeah, the answer is Yenneramum undan sannidhiyil naan irukka venum ayya. Now, question 3.
Participant number 9 has raised her hand.
Mugattai Kattiyan.
That's correct. Perfect. It is Mugattai Kattiye. She's got the right answer. Yes, we got it from the participant. Thank you, Mugattai Kattiye. Question number 4. 30 seconds start. Harshini, I think we have a few hand raises.
Participant number 10 has raised her hand first.
Participant number 10, do you want to give us the answer?
Chinnam Chirukilia.
I'm sorry. Harshini, can you tell us who went in next? Sorry, it goes to the audience. The question goes to the audience.
I raised the hand.
No, it will not come to the participant. I'm sorry, it will go to the audience. And
Time's up for the audience. So we have received the right answer from Chandni. So we have received so many answers after her. So we'll consider the first person who will be answering the right answer. So the right answer was said by Chandni.
Thank you, Gayatri. And the right answer is Aduvam Solluval Avanegam Solluval.
Meera, can the raised hands be brought down?
Yes,
Because
kindly lower your hand. I was just going to make that announcement.
Yes.
Kindly lower your hands so that we know who is raising it next time. Thank
Yes.
you. Yeah.
Thank you.
Next question. Yeah.
Participant number 5 has raised his hand.
Yes.
Shaila Sute. Shaila Sute.
I'm sorry. The question will now go to the audience.
We have received a right answer from Padmavati. Shall we display it on screen, please?
Yes. And the right answer is Dikku Theriyada Kattil. Kindly lower your hands one more time and Going on to the next question.
Participant number 6 has raised her hand.
Kindly unmute.
Mohamana?
Yes, that's right. And you got the correct answer. Mohamana Yenmeedil. Next question.
Participant number 9 has raised her hand.
Varugalamu Ayya.
That's right. It is Varugalamu Ayya. That's right. Next question.
Participant number 7 has raised her hand.
Yes, please.
Me with the A.
Sorry?
Me with the A.
No, I'm sorry. And the question goes to the audience. 10 seconds to the audience.
Time's up. We haven't received any response from the audience. So shall we display it on screen, please?
Yeah. And it is Devi Niye Tunai. We'll have to recap the images to understand how they fit in. Next question.
Participant number 8 has raised her hand.
Chinnanchirakkiliye.
Absolutely right. It is Chinnanchirakkiliye.
Audience, please don't answer before the question is given to you.
And kindly lower your hands. Next question.
Participant number 6 has raised her hand.
Kalai Tuki.
Absolutely right. Kalai Tuki. And we come to the end of round 3. I hope you enjoyed that round. And at the end of round 3, Pratiksha, over to you for the score tally.
Could you please give me a second, ma'am?
Sure. Take your time. Take your time. I hope you all liked that round. It was supposed to bring you on par with each other with the images. So,
Meera, let me just wait for the results because round 3 results will be announced later.
Sure.
Yeah?
Okay.
Because
Okay.
let them wait.
Okay, sure. So as we tally the results, and I know we are all excited to know who the winner is and how this competition went. Please do stay tuned with us. Our team is working on it. And in the meanwhile, as we do this, a little bit about Prayatnam for all of you. I'll hand over the proceedings to Dr. Srilata Vinod.
Good evening and namaskaram. We're very happy to speak about Prayatnam in what we stand for and what we believe in and what we try to share with the larger fraternity. What started as Prayatnam in 2008 with 3 founding members grew into a core committee that ideates, conceptualizes the direction that Prayatnam is taking, including its endeavors both educative and artistic, with the aim of upholding its principles of updating oneself and sharing it with the larger community. When we look at the lecture demonstrations, which is one of the main highlights of our forum, we've had some of the experts in their fields give us their valuable talks on the various subjects that you can see on the screen here, and they have shared immense knowledge and made us a lot enriched. The refresher course is aimed at the teachers who will update themselves and then transmit it to the taught. And every year we have stalwarts to teach us. The outreach programs involves experts from various fields to go to places where there is little exposure or where there is limited exposure to them, and we give them the opportunity to learn either technique or an abhinaya or talam or even theory of Bharatanatyam. The Parivartanam is an exchange of idea that encourages one teacher to invite another school, a teacher, a practitioner in another discipline perhaps, to speak about it to their students. The orientation program is aimed at reaching out to the students taking up exams and revising their syllabus, putting in a little more input into what goes into the exams. The Yatnam exams in the various centers, not just in Chennai, though it started there, has now branched out into many parts of Tamil Nadu, including Coimbatore, Vellore, Trichy, Pondicherry, and also outside of Tamil Nadu. These are some of the pictures taken during the theory exams. You will see how they were done in the orals and the practical examinations, always examined by 2 examiners, one from the traditional stream and the other from an institution, and an average of both is taken and given to the student. Some of our examiners include stalwarts, practitioners, and seniors who have graciously given us their time and been as examiners. Nothing could have been possible without our volunteers, a wonderful team of the youth who have always stepped in to do and ensure smooth running of the exams. Varshikam is nothing but our annual day, and the 10th annual day was something very special because each of these grades actually taught one of their masterpieces to a group of the students who had completed a reasonable level of proficiency in our 6th level program. These are pictures from some of the presentations, and we have all our representatives coming from the different centers, assembling and congregating in this wonderful day, which marked our 10th year. Madam is a newsletter that has brought out a lot of the artistic and creative work of the teachers and the taught. It is a movement in artistic development and learning, the acronym for MADAL, which also features some of the toppers of all the levels across all the centers, and they are recognized through our newsletter brought out each and every year in MADAL. As part of MADAL, we also have serious writing, which is brought out as Yatnalekanam. The Nritya Samarpanam series includes performances given to students who have earned meritorious platforms in sabhas, and also we give the opportunity as Prayatnam for those who have passed out our 6th level programs but have not emerged as toppers. So both of them get platforms. Amongst the performances that has seen Prayatnam represent itself is Natyanjali, the Swati Tirunal Festival, Abhay, Kala Pradarshini, where we did the Padamanjali, and we also facilitate programs for other sabhas, especially we've had the Mylapore Festival, Giri Fine Arts, even Doordarshan Kendra, and the Tamil Nadu Music Fine Arts University, among others. Master classes were also given for those who have completed 6 levels so that they can understand interdisciplinary work, the kind of work that goes into journalism and writing about dance, literary texts, and also about how to do event management. Collaborative efforts, we've had several of them, starting with the Kalashnikov Foundation, where we did a Disha program, highlighting the talent of very young students and projecting their talent. We've also had Bhavan's Rajaji Vidyashram that brought out an after-school program for teaching their students both theory and practice of Bharatanatyam. We've had master classes in several places and collaborative efforts with Shasun Jain College of Women, collaborated again with Divyanjali, and we've had Sikathon in Hyderabad, where we've had collaborative efforts with Pramod. Financial assistance, philanthropic movements by Prayatnam towards Abhay, towards the PM and CM Fund, towards senior artists like Indra Rajan and Lake Muruganandam. The donors who have made it all possible, Srimati Sita Lakshmi and Sri Ramaratnam Endowment Award, Gopala Krishna Scholarship, Narayana Sharma Trust, among others. We have used this to sponsor publishing or redoing another edition of the Silappadigaram and its commentary by the U.S. Swaminathan Library. And presently we have funded Nritta Ratnavali to be brought out by the Dr. V. Raghavan Center, which will come out shortly. The pandemic was terrible, but we had made every effort to bring out the certificate courses during that time, both in Tala as well as in Abhinaya. Tala conducted by Srimati Jayanti Subramaniam and Shri S.K. Suresh, Abhinaya by Srimati Priyadarshini Govind and Srimati Pushkala Gopal. Upamargam was a novel venture that encouraged students to research papers and presentations based on a composition outside of the Margam done today in a Bharatanatyam repertoire. So this was something that was done as a webinar and as an online feature, making the most of what could be done during the pandemic. Our most recent workshop included a very, very unique one by Srimati Swapna Sundari, where she taught us the Abhinayam for a Padavarnam, a very rare Padavarnam in a very rare Ragam too, and we've learned so much through this collaborative effort of E-Parampara and Prayatnam. So with this, I would like to pass it over to Srimati Dr. Shashireka Ramohan to speak about our various committees.
Prayatnam, we have different committees for various purposes. In advisory committee, we have Srimati Leela Samson, Jayanti Subramaniam, Deepa Ganesh, Nitya Kalyani Vaidyanathan, Jyotsna Narayan, Pushkala Gopal, and Saraswati Vasudevan. They have provided immense guidance to the conduct of the examinations at different centers. All our events are possible with the wonderful support of various committees like Executive Committee, Sindhu, Anjana, Lakshmi Priya, Annapurna, Nandini, Devi, Sandhya, and Working Committee, Padmini, Meera, Sangeeta, Radhika, Preeti, Shruti, Amrita, Sumod, and we need to say Youth Committee. They were wonderful during this pandemic. They are tech savvy. They are ready with the posters or anything to do with the media. They have been an immense support. I call upon Divya Sena to talk about the recent YouTube channel that she has been heading for the past 1 year.
Namaskaram everyone. As we all know, YouTube channel is an innovative and creative outlet which is easy to access within your comfort zone. We can reach not only our members, but can reach out the network with artists worldwide. As you all know, Prayatnam always supports and encourages innovative ventures. This prompted us to start our own channel on July 11th, 2020, through which we are sharing valuable content based on composers, literatures, compositions, talam, yoga, abhinaya, viniyogas, bhedas, rasa, legend gurus, contributions, etc., and many more to come. I need to thank the speakers who came forward to share their knowledge in different genres, extended not only through YouTube, also Insta, and also conducted e-Pariksha. I need to thank my wonderful team, Meera Shrikant, G. Devi, Shreya, Shakuntala, Varshika, Gayatri, Divakar, and Sneha, who are the backbone of our channels. Other than videos, we have conducted quizzes based on reference material from our YouTube channel. Please watch out for forthcoming events for our channel and do subscribe. Thank you. Over to Dr. Lakshmi Ramaswamy.
Lakshmi, I would like to take this opportunity to acknowledge the team that have put this quiz together. Thanks to Srilatha Vinod, Lakshmi Ramaswamy, Sujata Mohan, Divya Sena, Preeti Anand, Gautami, and Anuradha Ramesh for the question bank. And the wonderful PPT was done by Lalita Narasimhan, and the youth power, Gayatri, Harshini, and Pratiksha. Thank you so much. And Meera, you have been a wonderful anchor.
We at Prayatnam are very happy to have done this first online quiz contest for classical dance. This was for Bharatanatyam. We thank ICDA for taking us as collaborators, and we really enjoyed it through this nearly 1 month period that we put together. Between doubts, we just started, and the first pat on our shoulder was the amount of people who took it over. We had nearly 159 participants who gave us a big encouragement to even start this with. Otherwise, we would have had a doubt. So thanks to every participant who has taken this. And then we had 2 rounds. One was a preliminary round, and then we have a qualifying round. And the 10 people who came here today for the finals were after this qualifier round. And this is a milestone for us to have an event in a virtual platform, each of us at our own comfort zones, at our houses, and still being here, learning a lot. Personally, Meera, I was kicked off with this last round. I was like looking, let me try this. And not bad. I think I scored nearly 9 out of 10, I think. And that was a very, very innovative and beautiful thing that you have brought down. And time for the results, is it? Okay, so
yeah. Let's wait if Gayatri is ready. Sharing of a video. And before that,
Gayatri, is the video ready? She says ready.
Yeah, she's ready. And it's loading.
Yes, ma'am, it's almost ready.
Okay.
The results are here. Just few more minutes.
Lakshmi Akka, I'll fill you in then. We have more spare questions on connections for a later date.
We can still do if you want to fill in. We have audience and yeah.
Questions which was given for QFR1 and the preliminary round, the answers will also be displayed later. I think there were more participants who were very much interested in getting the answers for those questions, and they were all enthusiastic participants. And it was very difficult for us to bring these 10 down from those, right? So, yes, Srilata, you want to say anything?
No, this is just a request also to all the audience who are watching this. Just make you know that these kind of programs can be facilitated by Prayatnam, and if you do want us to reach out to you in helping you to do any event or program, conducting this or facilitating something else, do reach out to us and contact us. You can see us on our webpage or on the contact numbers that will be given to you during the end of this particular on-screen share. I think now Gayatri will be ready in just 2 minutes. I know there's a lot of tension and anticipation amongst all the participants wondering. They would have mentally calculated their marks and they kind of know what it is. However, they could have made a mistake somewhere here or there and so might be thinking whether it is right or wrong. Actually, we've had a wonderful audience today who have really made us feel that we should have had a special round for the audience exclusively because we've had that kind of an response from them. Right. We will be making a special mention of those, some members of the audience or especially who have continuously answered and who have got the maximum number amongst the audience. A special mention will be made out for them too. Gayatri?
I request the core committee to type the phone numbers. If anybody wants to reach out to us to subscribe, they can reach out to us. Please do type your phone numbers in the chat box.
When the announcement of results come, I would like to thank Prayatnam for the great effort that you have taken. The entire team has taken a great effort for the last 1 month, and we are really grateful to you for this excellent presentation and organizing of the event. We never expected 160 participants will join for this preliminary competition, and I think since this is a virtual one, we have a lot of limitations. So we could overcome all these limitations. And as you all know, this type of quiz contest always helps to develop the knowledge of participants. For example, the Kaun Banega Crorepati in which is internationally reputed program, which had viewers, millions of viewers. So like that, in general knowledge, we have a lot of other quiz competitions occurring. But in Bharatanatyam and other classical dance forms, there are not much of opportunities for dancers to join or participate. So this is actually a first step. So we are planning to organize, ICD is planning to organize such competitions in Kathak, Odissi, Manipuri and Mohiniyattam on several subjects. So this is actually the first step towards organizing all these events. And this is for students who are learning, this will really help them in their studies, especially those studying for post-graduation and doctorate and all. Definitely this will be a great opportunity. And even for performers who wants to enhance their knowledge, you should always enhance your knowledge to grow more. So these are the ways and means of developing your knowledge. So I would request all the youngsters to join many competitions like this so that you can be a participant and you can enhance your knowledge. So thank you very much for Prayatnam team, and thank you all the participants for making this show an excellent one. Thank you.
I think Gayatri is ready.
Yes. So shall I share it now?
Yes.
Just give me 2 more minutes. I'll just share it.
Okay.
I think the process is as much interesting as the product, right?
Yeah, Lakshmi, coming up till this round itself is very difficult.
Big thing, yeah, the process.
Big thing, yeah. So participants, you need not be like, you need not worry if you could not answer these questions, because if the answers were simple, then it's very easy. You would have found, right? We nearly gave so many questions in the first and second preliminary and a QFR round. So these this round is supposed to be.
Yes, Gayatri.
Yeah.
The second runner-up, we have two people who are there. Number 7, Pavitra Srinivasan, and number 8, Shrutika Nair. Yes, the first runner is Parvati Muthuswamy. Congratulations. There we are, winner of this contest, Suhana Salim. Congratulations, Suhana. Okay, from the audience we have Chandani, who has done so well, quick, alert, and more participating. Congratulations to her too. Thanks to ICDA for giving us this opportunity to meet so many youngsters, putting this together, and we all enjoyed the process. Congratulations to the participants as well as the winners. And on this day, the 15th August, when we step into the 75th year of India's independence, we are happy to have conducted this wonderful online virtual quiz.
We now call upon Himaja.
Good evening to one and all. It is a wonderful task for me to propose the vote of thanks today after such a beautiful and enriching evening. At the outset, on behalf of Prayatnam, I would like to thank ICDA, Shri Gopakumar Sir, for kickstarting this particular process and got us all working in the last 1 month towards this beautiful evening. Thank you, sir. And I always appreciate the kind of effort he puts in to gather all of us together. And apart from this quiz, he gives us so many other lecture demonstrations, coordinating with so many people. Thank you, sir. And on behalf of Prayatnam, I would like to assure you that we will be there to support you in any future venture that you require us. I will be failing in my duty if I don't thank the wonderful quiz team. Now, an online quiz is a very, very challenging fact. It is easier to conduct a quiz face-to-face. But when we come to an online quiz, we had the those who gave us questions, the source, that was one team. The technical team who, yes, got this PPT ready and how the questions, the timers, and all the other technical details. The promotional team who promoted this with their posters and making at such quick time. So I thank all of you who have worked untiringly for this particular event. And of course, Meera Shrikant, who did a wonderful job by taking this through so beautifully. So thank you, Meera. At this point, I would like to thank the admins of Prayatnam, Srimati Priya Ravi and Srimati Sigapi, who are always at the back end for even for every meeting that is required for this and coordinating this meeting. And they have been with us throughout from day one. Thanks to both of you. And wonderful participants, the 10 finalists, as well as the 159 people who had enrolled with so much interest and took up the preliminary, the qualifying, and understood the rules and cooperated with us. I thank each one of you for your enthusiasm, and congratulations and best wishes to all of you. And last but not the least, so many participants who had attended, and not only attended, but so many of them so enthusiastically gave us answers the minute the contestants could not reply. Immediately we got so many answers. So always when this kind of a participation is there from the audience, it is always an encouragement for the organizers. So I thank you once again, and I would like to sign off on behalf of Prayatnam by wishing you all Happy Independence Day. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I'd just like to say that the second runner-up, there were two names. Both of you will be featured in the video that will come as a promo for anything that will go into FB or Instagram, wherever. So both your names will feature. It was such short notice, so it was not possible. Please bear.
Special thanks to Gayatri for heading the youth team, and Harshini and Pratiksha too. Gayatri?
Gayatri?
Yes.
Yeah, Gayatri?
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Harshini?
Thank you.
Pratiksha?
It was a pleasure working with you, ma'am.
Sir, Gopakumar sir, would you like to say a few words before we close, or how?
So really thankful to all the participants and congratulations, winners. You will be getting the e-certificate by mail from Prayatnam team, and we'll be announcing your name in all our Facebook pages and other things. So and the names and your photos and all we will be publishing, and we would like to have your cooperation in future programs also. My dream is that we should have a program in a leading TV channel, so that to popularize this classical dance forms, that is the best media where we can have. So the next step of ICD and Prayatnam will be to have a reality show on Bharatanatyam or a quiz competition on Bharatanatyam through one of the leading channels, Indian channels. So that is we have got an overseas chapter also. Around 100 members are there in the overseas chapter. So we will be planning for that. So thank you very much, Prayatnam. Thank you very much, winners, and thank you very much, participants. Thank you.
Thank you. Namaskaram. Good night.
Shubharatri. Thank you.
Good night. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.